Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the products that Miss Debbie sent me. Here's a glimpse of the clear jelly stamper box. Thank you so much, Miss Debbie, for all of these! By the way, I'm currently filming some Christmas nail art tutorials using these products. I'm super excited to share it with you guys! Now, let me show you each of the products. We have this adorable cylindrical container and it's clear jelly stampers nail art mat. This is in the Tracy Classic Swirl design. This will make nail painting easier. Then we have Big Bling XL Stamper. It has two clear stampers and a scraper. Then we have clear jelly stamper sticky pad with 50 sheets. Then we have 10 stamping polishes in 5 ml bottles. And it comes with individual boxes too. Then here is Cast of Christmas Cutie stamping plate. Angelic stamping plate. Playful penguin stamping plate. Happy New Year stamping plate. Funky Swirl stamping plate. And I received this candy too. And those are all of the products I received from the owner of Clear Jelly Stamper, Miss Debbie. Once again, thank you so much, Miss Debbie, for all of these. Until now, I can't believe that I have these amazing products. I'm really so grateful for this holiday gift. Check out Clear Jelly Stamper's official online shop and follow them on their official social media pages. Links will be available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, bye!